In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset MetaTrader 5 layout. If your charts look cluttered, panels are out of place, or colors and indicators aren't what you expect, there are a few quick ways to bring MetaTrader 5 back to a clean, familiar state. I'll walk you through resetting the entire workspace, restoring a single chart, adjusting chart appearance, and a quick fix if things seem completely off. Start with the fastest full reset. Open MetaTrader 5, go to the top menu, click File, choose Profiles, and select Default. A profile in MT5 is the overall workspace arrangement, which charts are open, how they're arranged, and many of the elements you see on screen. Choosing Default reloads the original workspace that MT5 ships with, removing most custom chart arrangements in one go. This won't affect your trading account login or your historical data. It simply restores the layout so you can start fresh. If only one chart looks messy, focus on the template for that chart. Right-click directly on the chart, click Templates, and select Default TPL. Templates store the visual setup and attached indicators for that single chart. Loading default.tpl brings back the standard chart style and removes most custom formatting on that chart only, without touching other charts in your workspace. This is perfect when one symbol or time frame got overloaded with indicators or unconventional colors. For cosmetic fixes like colors and grid settings, use Chart Properties. Right-click the chart, click Properties, or press F8 on your keyboard. In the Properties window, click Reset or Defaults, then press OK. This reverts the chart's appearance to the original configuration, including background and candle colors, without removing indicators or changing which indicators are attached. It's a precise way to clear visual clutter while preserving your analysis tools. If your layout looks completely broken or panels don't behave as expected, try a quick restart. Close MetaTrader 5 and open it again. A fresh launch often reloads the saved layout correctly and resolves glitches caused by a temporary glitch or an interrupted session. To recap the approach, use the default profile for a full workspace refresh, default.tpl to clean up a single chart, properties to restore chart appearance, and a restart if the platform seems out of sync. After resetting, proceed with your analysis step by step so you only reintroduce the tools you genuinely need. That way, your MT5 stays clear, responsive, and easy to navigate.